Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best gear for your little adventurers. Today, we're diving into what could easily be the best toddler hiking pants out there. The Amazon Essentials Unisex Kids and Toddlers Cargo Parachute Pants. Whether you're heading out for a hike or just want your toddler to have durable, comfortable pants for everyday wear, these cargo parachute pants deliver in all the right areas. First, let's talk about the design and fit. These pants come with a relaxed fit through the hips and thighs, sitting comfortably at the waist. What makes them so perfect for toddlers is the stretchy fabric and the lightweight nature of the pants. Made from a blend of 86% nylon and 14% elastane, the material is not only flexible but also wind-resistant, which is great for those breezy outdoor adventures. Plus, it wicks away moisture to keep your little one feeling fresh and dry, making them perfect for both spring and fall outdoor activities. The functionality of these pants is a standout feature. With an elasticated waist and internal drawcord, these pants adjust to your child's comfort. The elasticated cuffs ensure the pants stay in place while your toddler is running around, and they won't be too long for little legs. On top of that, you'll find front slant pockets and handy side cargo pockets with snap closures, giving these pants that classic outdoor style while being super practical for carrying small essentials. The material is smooth to the touch, somewhere between soft shell and windbreaker fabrics. It's not too thick for warmer days, but it's still substantial enough to offer a bit of insulation, making them suitable for layering in cooler weather. If you're thinking about using them for colder seasons, you can easily pair them with leggings or long underwear underneath. Sizing for these cargo pants is available from 2T all the way up to XX large, ensuring a good fit for toddlers and even older kids who need a bit of extra room. And don't worry if you're unsure about which size to pick. Thanks to the stretch, these pants are very forgiving and can fit kids of varying builds. Not only do these pants check all the boxes for comfort, functionality, and style, but they're also a breeze to maintain. Just toss them in the washing machine on a cold cycle, tumble dry them on low, and you're good to go. No fuss, no hassle, just easy care for busy parents. To sum it up, the Amazon Essentials Cargo Parachute Pants are hands down the best toddler hiking pants out there, combining practicality with comfort, and offering a fit that grows with your child. If you're looking for a versatile, durable pair of pants for your little one, these are definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews of the best products for your kids. Stay tuned for more, and happy hiking!